Good morning, students. Wish you all the best for having nice Thursday. Okay, we learned about primary auxiliaries. Now let us learn about modals. Modals. Once again, I repeat. Why they are known as modal auxiliaries? Why? Because they are variously used. They are variously used. So, they are known as modal auxiliaries. They are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, remain, must, have to, had to, used to, ought to, dare, need. Modals. Right? Once again, modals, auxiliaries, they are variously used. Various uses. We see later. Various uses. So they are known as modals. Just as primary auxiliaries that we learned, they are used in two ways. As a principal verb and second as an auxiliary. Modals, they are auxiliaries. They never stand alone. Right? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, remain, must, have to, had to, used to, ought to, dare, and need. They are variously used. As an example, we can take can. Here, how many uses of can? How can is used variously? Can, first use of can to express ability. Ability. Can is equal to be able to. Listen to here. Now we learn about modal auxiliaries. Variously used. As an example, we can take can. What is the meaning of can? Can is used ability to be able to. Can express ability. First use. Example. I can do this work. First use of can. Can, it shows ability. To express ability is equal to be able to. Example, I can do this work. That means I am able to do this verb. First use. Second use. Can is used in sense of know how to. Can. Second use of can. Know how to. Know how to means way. To express way. To express way. Example. I can operate the new machine. Try to understand. Second use of can. First, can express ability. Can is used to show ability. Right? Second, can express how to know. Sorry, know how to. Know how to. Example, I can operate the new machine. That means I know how to operate the new machine. Can to express know how to read. Okay. Example, I can operate the new machine is equal to I know how to operate. How to operate the new machine. Second use. Now going to third use. Can in a sense of have the right to. Have the right to. Adhikar. Third use of can, have the right to. Adhikar. Example, you can't enter the room. You can't enter the room. That means you don't have the right to enter the room. Understand? Third use of can. Have the right to. Have the right to. Example, you can't enter the room. That means you don't have the right to enter the room. Fourth use. Can. Modals. Variously used. To express permission. To express permission. Can is used to express permission. Example, You can't sit beside me. You can't sit beside me. That means you are not allowed. That means you are not allowed to sit beside me. You are not allowed, you are not permitted. What to use? Can is used to express permission. Fifth use, can. It is used to express offer, request. Can is used to express offer, request. Example. Can I bring you a chair to sit in? Can I help you? Can I pay the bill? Express, offer, request. Fifth use. Six use of can. Can is variously used. First, to express ability. Second, know how to. Third, have the right to. Fourth, to express permission. And fifth, to express offer, request. Six use to express possibility. Possibility. Six use of can. It is used to express possibility. Sakyata, sambhavana. Example. This news can be true. This news can't be true. Possibility. Right? Seven use of can. As a phrasal, idioms, proverbs, phrasal, कहावत, मुहावरा. Example. I can't help laughing. I can't help laughing. હું શા વગર રહી શકું તેમ નથી. As a phrasal, મુહાવરો, કહેવત, I can't help laughing. I can't help singing. Seventh use. Eighth use. Number 8. Can. Use of can to express habit or nature. Express habit or nature. Example. A pickpocket can never spare. A pickpocket can spare none. Heavy. Pickpocket can spare none. Ain't use of can. Once again, models. Why they are known as models? Because they are variously used. They are variously used. Example, we have learned about can. Can is variously used. First use to express ability. Second, can is equal to know how to means way. Third, have the right to. Have the right to. Fourth use to express permission. Fifth use to offer request. Express offer or request. Six, possibility. Seven, as a vessel. Idioms, proverbs. Eight, heavy. Next, right? So they are known as modal auxiliary. Okay, please note down without fail. Now we see about forms of modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries having two forms, simple form and perfect form. Right? Simple form, format, subject plus modal auxiliary plus verb of one, present, full verb, plus object. Okay? Once again, simple form, subject, modal auxiliary, verb one plus object, active voice. In a passive form, object plus modal auxiliary plus be plus verb 3 by OC. Verb 3, past participle. As an example, we take I can read this book. I can read this book. Passive form, A book can be read by me. Okay? Simple form. Subject, model auxiliary, can, we, shall, may, must. Verb 1 plus object. Passive, object, model auxiliary, be, verb 3. Okay? Model auxiliary, perfect form. बोर्ड एग्जाम अगत्यનું મોડલ ઓક્સિલિયરી પરફેક્ટ ફોર્મ બોર્ડ એક્ઝામ માટે અગત્યનો પોઈન્ટ છે. keep it in your mind. Format, subject plus mark, model auxiliary, plus have, verb 3, perfect form. Once again, subject, model auxiliary, plus have, verb 3 plus object, other words, active voice. Remember, speak together. Subject plus model auxiliary plus have, verb 3 plus object, other words. Very good. Active voice. As an example, here I write, I would have passed HSC. I would have passed HSC examination. Active voice. In a passive form, remember, passive form of perfect form of model auxiliary. Very important point for board exam. Passive form, in place of subject, here we put object, right? After that, model auxiliary, would, should, might, must. After that, have. After that, being plus verb 3. Remember this format of model auxiliary, perfect form. Object plus model auxiliary plus have plus be plus verb 3 by OC. Passive form. Example, HSC exam would have been passed. Clear? HSC exam would have been passed. Passive form. Okay? So here, what we have learned? Modals, they are variously used. As an example, here I present can as a modal auxiliary. Can is variously used, that we have seen, right? Various uses of can. First use to express ability, having power to do something. Second use, know how to, way of doing. Third, right, have to, have the right to, have the right to. Fourth, to express permission. Five, to express offer, request. Six, to express possibility. Seven, to express as a phrasal, proverb, idioms. Eight, to express about nature. Uses of modals variously. Second thing, modal auxiliaries, they are seen in two forms. First, simple form. Second, perfect form. Right? Simple form, active voice, subject, modal auxiliary, verb 1 plus object. Example, I can read this book. Passive form, object, modal auxiliary, be plus verb 3 by pushing. Example, a book can be read by me. Now, let us remember modal auxiliary perfect form. Very important point for board exam. Active voice, subject, modal auxiliary, have plus verb 3 plus object others. Example, I would have passed HSC exam. I would have passed HSC exam. Passive voice, object, modal auxiliary, have, be plus verb 3. Remember this thing. Be plus verb 3. Here we put be before past participle. Once again, object, modal auxiliary, have, be plus verb 3 by OC. Passive form of modal perfect form. Example, HSC exam would have been passed. Would have been passed. Understand? Now, not these all things. Okay?